Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Do you ever worry about those frustrating cracks or dinks on your car's windshield? Today, we've got your ultimate guide to repairing them yourself. Stay tuned as we delve into effective DIY techniques to make your windshield look good as new. The ultimate guide to repairing windshield cracks and dinks. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle, windshield cracks and dinks can be a common issue. Dealing with these imperfections promptly is crucial for ensuring your safety on the road and preventing further damage. In this post, we will explore the importance of addressing windshield cracks and dinks, as well as the repair options available to you. Whether you're dealing with a small chip or a larger crack, understanding the best course of action is essential for keeping your windshield in top condition. Join us as we delve into the world of windshield repairs and discover how you can effectively address these common automotive issues. Understanding windshield damage. Types of windshield damage. Windshield damage can come in various forms, from small chips and cracks to more serious dinks and fractures. Common types of damage include bullseyes, which look like a circular chip with a dark center, and star breaks, which have multiple legs extending from the impact point. Additionally, cracks can vary from stress cracks caused by sudden temperature changes to edge cracks occurring at the edge of the windshield. Understanding the type of damage is crucial in determining the appropriate repair or replacement method. Causes of windshield cracks and dinks. Windshield cracks and dinks can be caused by a variety of factors, such as rocks or debris kicked up by other vehicles, temperature fluctuations, and internal pressure from structural stress. Additionally, simple things like sudden changes in temperature or small stones on the road can lead to windshield damage. Understanding the causes of windshield cracks and dinks can help drivers take preventive measures to minimize the risk of damage and maintain the integrity of their vehicle's windshield. DIY repair process assessment of the damage. When it comes to repairing windshield cracks and dinks, the first step is to assess the extent of the damage. This involves carefully inspecting the size, location, and depth of the cracks or dinks. A professional technician will determine whether the damage is repairable or if a full replacement is necessary. Utilizing specialized tools and expertise, the assessment ensures the most appropriate course of action is taken to restore the windshield to its optimal condition. Repairing small cracks and dinks. For small cracks and dinks, a repair process is often the solution. This involves injecting a specialized resin into the damaged area, which is then cured using ultraviolet light. The resin effectively bonds the glass together, preventing the damage from spreading further and restoring the structural integrity of the windshield. This approach not only saves time and money, but it also helps to maintain the original factory seal of the windshield. Replacement for extensive damage. In cases of extensive damage where the cracks are too large or the dinks are too deep, a windshield replacement is the recommended course of action. This involves carefully removing the damaged windshield and installing a new one using high-quality materials and adhesive. A professional replacement ensures the structural strength and clarity of the windshield, ensuring the safety and aesthetics of the vehicle. The DIY repair process involves a thorough assessment of the damage, followed by the appropriate repair or replacement to restore the windshield to its original condition. Whether it's a small crack or an extensive dink, addressing the damage promptly is essential for maintaining the safety and structural integrity of the vehicle. Importance of timely repairs. Ensuring the timely repair of windshield cracks and dinks is essential for a multitude of reasons that directly impact the safety and integrity of your vehicle. Safety concerns. Unrepaired windshield damage poses a significant safety risk to both the driver and passengers. A compromised windshield lacks the structural support needed to protect occupants in the event of an accident. A small crack can quickly expand due to external factors, such as temperature changes or road vibrations, potentially leading to a complete collapse of the windshield during a collision. Preventing further damage. Addressing windshield damage promptly not only mitigates safety concerns but also prevents further deterioration. A small chip or crack can quickly escalate into a larger, more costly problem if left unattended. Environmental elements, such as dirt and moisture, can infiltrate the damaged area, worsening the condition and possibly requiring a full windshield replacement. By promptly addressing these issues, not only do you safeguard the safety of yourself and your passengers, but you also prevent the need for more extensive and expensive repairs down the line. DIY versus professional repair. When faced with a windshield crack or dink, the decision between DIY repair and professional repair services can be perplexing. Each option carries its own burstiness, and considering the pros and cons is crucial before making a decision. Pros and cons of DIY repair kits. DIY repair kits provide a cost-effective solution for minor windshield damages. They are readily available and relatively simple to use, making them accessible to anyone. The convenience of fixing the issue at home and avoiding a trip to the auto repair shop is a significant advantage. However, there are certain limitations to DIY kits. They are best suited for small, superficial cracks and may not deliver satisfactory results for extensive damage. Additionally, incorrect application can lead to further damage, making professional assistance necessary in the end. Benefits of professional repair services. Opting for professional repair services ensures expert handling of windshield damages. Certified technicians possess the knowledge, tools, and experience to accurately assess the severity of the damage and execute appropriate repairs. Beyond just fixing the visible issue, professional services also address underlying concerns that DIY kits may overlook. This comprehensive approach ensures the structural integrity of the windshield is restored, thereby enhancing safety. Furthermore, professional repairs often come with warranties, providing peace of mind and assurance of quality workmanship. In navigating the decision between DIY and professional repair, it's essential to weigh the trade-offs between cost, convenience, and quality. While DIY kits offer a quick fix at a lower cost, professional services provide a more comprehensive and long-term solution. Cost of windshield repair. When it comes to repairing windshield cracks and dinks, the cost can vary based on several factors, and understanding the elements influencing repair expenses can help you make informed decisions. Additionally, exploring insurance coverage for windshield repairs could provide potential cost-saving opportunities. Factors affecting repair costs. Size and severity of damage. The extent of the crack or chip on the windshield significantly impacts the repair cost. Larger or more severe damages may require extensive repair work, affecting the overall expense. Type of repair. Depending on the nature of the damage, different repair techniques may be employed, influencing the overall cost. For instance, a simple chip repair may cost less compared to a full windshield replacement. Location of damage. The location of the damage on the windshield can also impact the repair cost. Cracks or dinks closer to the edges of the windshield may be more challenging to fix, potentially increasing the repair expense. Type of vehicle. The make and model of the vehicle can also play a role in determining the repair cost. Luxury or rare vehicles may have specialized windshields, which could affect the overall repair expense. Additional services. Some repair scenarios may require additional services, such as recalibration of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which can contribute to the overall repair cost. Insurance coverage for windshield repairs. Understanding your insurance coverage for windshield repairs is crucial in managing repair expenses. Many comprehensive auto insurance policies cover windshield repairs, often waiving the deductible for such services to encourage prompt repair and prevent further damage. It's essential to review your insurance policy to ascertain the extent of coverage for windshield repairs, ensuring you leverage available benefits to mitigate repair costs. Additionally, some insurance providers have partnerships with specific auto glass repair companies, offering streamlined and cost-effective repair services for policyholders. Being aware of the factors influencing windshield repair costs and harnessing insurance coverage opportunities can significantly impact the financial aspects of addressing windshield cracks and dinks, allowing for efficient and economical resolutions. Repairing windshield cracks and dinks is essential for maintaining the safety and integrity of your vehicle. By addressing these issues promptly, you can prevent further damage and ensure clear visibility while driving. DIW offers professional services to efficiently repair windshield imperfections, providing peace of mind for drivers. With their expertise and specialized techniques, you can trust that your windshield will be restored to its optimal condition. Don't overlook the importance of addressing windshield cracks and dinks. Prioritize your safety and the longevity of your vehicle by seeking timely repairs from DIW. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.